He had a beautiful voice. Repeat after me.
He had a beautiful voice. But he never sang in public.
He had a new smartphone.
He had a new smartphone. But he only used it for calls.
She had 3 sisters.
She had 3 sisters. But she always felt lonely. She had a lot of free time.
She had a lot of free time.
But she didn't know what to do.
She had a famous father.
She had a famous father. But she wanted her own name.
He had a great sense of humor.
He had a great sense of humor. But nobody laughed at his jokes.
She had a big library. She had a big library.
But she only read magazines.
He had a fast motorcycle.
He had a fast motorcycle. But he was afraid of speed.
She had a dream to travel the world.
She had a dream to travel the world. But she never bought a ticket.
He had a sharp knife.
He had a sharp knife. But he couldn't cut the bread.
Negative sentences.
She didn't have a loud voice.
She didn't have a loud voice. But her words were strong.
He didn't have a crown.
He didn't have a crown. But he had a strong heart.
She didn't have many friends.
She didn't have many friends. But her friends were real.
He didn't have a degree.
He didn't have a degree. But he had real-life experience.
She didn't have expensive clothes.
She didn't have expensive clothes. But she had confidence.
He didn't have a fancy car.
He didn't have a fancy car. But he was always on time.
She didn't have a perfect face.
She didn't have a perfect face. But she had a warm smile.
He didn't have a big title.
He didn't have a big title. But people respected him.
She didn't have magic.
she didn't have magic. But she had a kind heart.
He didn't have an easy life.
He didn't have an easy life. But he stayed strong.
Question sentences.
Did she have a diamond ring?
Did she have a diamond ring?
No, but she had true love.
Repeat after me. Did he have a castle?
Did he have a castle? No, but he had a big dream.
Did she have a perfect voice?
Did she have a perfect voice? No, but she loved singing.
Did he have a famous teacher?
Did he have a famous teacher? No, but he learned a lot. Did she have an easy life? Did she have an easy life? No, but she stayed strong.
Did he have a rich father?
Did he have a rich father? No, but he worked hard.
Did she have a clear plan?
Did she have a clear plan? No, but she tried anyway.
Did he have a good start?
Did he have a good start? No, but he didn't stop.
Did she have a solution?
Did she have a solution? No, but she kept trying.
Did he have a second chance?
Did he have a second chance? No, but he did his best.
Okay, guys, your turn now. Make one positive, one negative, or one question sentence. Write it in the comments below. Let's see what you got. See you next time. Bye.